For learning Python, for this course, you need two things. One is the Python 3 version installed in your systems and the Jupyter notebooks installed in your systems. So to install the Python 3, go to this website and download the latest version of Python according to the operating system you are using. Python is available for all the operating systems like Windows, Linux, Mac. Since my system is Linux, I am using Linux operating system. So I'll download Python in Linux in Ubuntu using the terminal. So for the people who are using Ubuntu, you just need to write these statements in your terminal. As you can see that since I have already installed the Python, all the packages are not installed and it is already available. So you can simply install this Python using these instructions, and then you can simply test whether your Python is installed or not using this command. See, my system is having Python 3.6.9 version, which is the latest version. So my Python is installed. Next is the Jupyter notebook. Jupyter notebook is the IDE which can be installed following these instructions. Since I am using the Linux operating system, I will first set up the virtual environment for Python for Jupyter notebook and then install the Jupyter using pip and then run the Jupyter notebook. What do you mean by running the Jupyter notebook? Since I have already installed Jupyter notebook, I will not follow these steps. I will directly run the Jupyter notebook in my terminal. For that, you need to write just Jupyter notebook in your terminal and press enter. Now, Jupyter notebook localhost. Now, Jupyter localhost has been opened in the browser. It will show all the files that are contained in my laptop. Now, this is a Jupyter. In order to create any new folder or new Python file, you just need to go to this new button. Click on new Python 3 notebook or a text file or a folder or a terminal. So we need to create a new Python 3 notebook. So I will click on Python 3 and a new notebook will be created. So this is the Jupyter notebook which we will be using for our Python course, as it is the easiest IDE on which you can perform Python and you can implement it easily and learn. It contains cells, so we need to write code in these cells. For adding any code, you can simply use this plus sign, or you can use this insert cell above or cell below. You can save this file, you can change the name of the notebook. and the code is executed cell by cell. For example, I'm writing print hey, and I need to run this code. So I will go to this run button and click on it. Now my output is here, hey. And the shortcut for this is, for example, I need to add two numbers, 8 plus 2. So I need to run this code. You can directly press Ctrl Enter. So as a shortcut, you see 10 is here. So this is your Jupyter notebook on which you will be working with Python. So Jupyter notebook is a document that contains text cells, as you have seen that, and in which we write code in cells, different cells. And it is a special notebook as it is very interactive. As you can see that you can add or change code anytime and you can run it very easily. And the result will be directly displayed on the notebook itself. And moreover, Jupyter notebook can be easily used as a simple calculator also. For example, as you can see that I have written 8 plus 2. So it has given me output 10. Even if I write 8 into 2, see, if you write 8 divided by 2, you will get a floating point number, 4.0. So it shows that you can easily use Jupyter notebook as calculators also. And these are the basic programs of Python 2. So this was about the installations and Jupyter notebook. For Linux users, you can directly go to this link and set up your whole environment. It is given here step by step. And for other users, you can use these two links in this notebook to download latest version of Python and Jupyter notebook so that we can easily continue our lectures further. Thank you. This is it for this lecture, and in the next lecture we will start with basics of Python.